Hi, I'm Denise Maple. I'm here to tell you about an upcoming workshop that I'm holding next Monday evening at 6:30 Central Time. It's about teaching online and best practices for presentations, workshops, things like that. So I want to also show you exactly what we're going to cover. So I'll do introductions. I want everyone to get to know each other, find out why they're there, so that I can make it as customizable for you. And then talk about the evening. What's the overview? What are the objectives of the evening? And then I'll talk about what makes a presentation go from good to great. And then from there, we will talk about what's different if it's online versus an in-person presentation. We'll talk about learning objectives and what they are, why they're important, how to create them for anything that you are doing as far as a workshop or presentation or a course goes. And then we'll talk about making the content sticky. So how do you make it memorable? Not only so they remember you, but they remember what you're teaching. And then finally, we'll talk about all the Zoom features that can be really helpful in the classroom. Whether it's a training room or a classroom, it doesn't matter. The Zoom can still be really helpful. And in most presentations I've gone to, it's really not used to its fullest capacity. So I hope you will join me for this presentation. And if you have any questions, I will put the information in the notes below. So just check it out and would love to see you on Monday.